Want to find out the best nail gun for installing shiplap? I'm going to show you which one I used on this project as well as how it performed, so stay tuned. Before we get started with the nail gun, I wanted to come to you from the future and show you what this finished project looks like so that you can know that I know what I'm talking about. So let me quickly show you what these walls look like after we've done all of our spackling and paint work. Okay guys, so see, these are the same walls. So if I can see here, you can see the sheen on the walls here, and you can see how smooth that is. Okay guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Just want to give you a chance to see a little taste of the finished project, just so you know that I know a little bit about how this is supposed to go. So, back to your regularly scheduled program. What's going on guys? Kendall here for Renos for Pros and Joes, helping you simplify the renovation and remodeling process. On this channel we do hands-on product tool and gear reviews as well as renovation tip and strategy videos. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Today I'm on site at a renovation project, and one of the components of this project is shiplap siding, or faux shiplap siding to be specific. And one of the questions that I frequently see is, what do you use to attach the shiplap to the walls? And of course we're going to be using a nail gun on this type of project because we have so many pieces that we've installed, and specifically people want to know what type of nail gun. So first I'm going to show you the nail gun that I use, which is a brad nailer, as well as what the nails look like here. I'll have links in the description box below for the specifics on this gun as well as the nails, but I wanted to specifically show you why I recommend this particular gun. And I've done an entire room in it. Now the big thing about a nail gun is going to be how big the holes are that it makes when it goes through your panels, because remember, on a faux shiplap, this is going to be a thin plywood, okay? And so one of the main things that you want to do is you want to make as small a hole as possible, but you still want to be able to have the boards firmly attached to the wall, okay? So you don't want them to move at all once you get them up there, but you also don't want to have these big, crater-sized holes everywhere where you have to use your nail gun, because you do want to have enough nails in it to make sure that it's secure, but keeping in mind that on the back side of this, you're going to have to go back in and fill in every single one of those nail holes with spackling or wood filler or some other type of compound. So I just want to show you really quickly up close why I chose this particular one. So if you look here at this board, can you see holes? Can you see holes on this one? Can you see holes on this one? And I know there's a lot of writing and things on these boards, but I'm gonna point out some of the holes. Okay, so there's a hole right there. Get up really close to it, you can see it. There's a hole right there. There's a hole right there. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. And so that's really the main benefit that I see to using a nail gun like this, is that it does not use ridiculously sized nails, and the advantage of that is you have small holes, which is faster spackling and nail filling, the faster you can get to paint, and the faster you can get your project completed. So hopefully you found this video informative. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be one in a series of videos I'm gonna be shooting on shiplap installation, so stay tuned for the other ones. Of course, subscribe if you wanna be notified when the new videos come out. So see you guys on the next one.